Hey there, it's Brooke with WTI. As a first-time mom, I was really struggling to find a bottle that my baby would drink water out of by himself, so I didn't always have to hold it for him. And then I found these Dr. Brown's Milestones cups. These are so awesome because they don't spill, because let's face it, babies drop stuff all the time, and now he's in the phase of wanting to throw everything. The weighted straw is great because it holds it right in the bottom, so even if there's just a little bit left, he can still get it out. These are great for taking on the go because you can close the straw in so it doesn't get dirty or anything in the bottom of your diaper bag. They're really easy to take apart and put back together, and that's awesome because some of them are really difficult to do, but I love these for that. My son loves drinking out of these Dr. Brown's bottles, and I love how easy they are to clean and that they're great for on the go. And that's my point of view.